Hello, welcome to a demo on how to use Zoho CRM to segment and export segmented, i.e. focused records, i.e. leads, accounts or contacts and so on. The focus of the demo is to how to export after you have gone about filtering your data. Okay, so to do this you might, for example, want to use an email marketing solution which requires you to import lists of segmented leads. So you start by going to the leads module, and in the leads module you have a whole load of standard and custom views which you can use to segment your data. So this is a standard one in Zoho CRM My Leads, but you may also apply your own custom ones, for example Australian leads, and then that would be based on a filter on the lead country. Okay, so this represents a focused filtered lead list that you can use, and we're not going to focus on how to do the view in this video. That's another one. This is how to export from this screen. Now there's no direct export function when looking at a view yet in Zoho CRM. We've requested this from them, but you still can export it by using the Zoho Sheet view here on the top right. So that function actually integrates Zoho Sheet into Zoho CRM, and it will show the same screen of the view in an online spreadsheet format. So here are the three records, and the columns are exactly the same. If I switch back to the CRM, the columns are the same as in the view. So if you want to export different columns, then you have to edit the view first and then show it again in Zoho Sheet. So when I am on Zoho Sheet here, yes, I can edit the values as well, save, and it will update in the CRM. However, we want to export from this view, and to do that I use the export button here on the top left. And as you can see, I can export to a number of different formats, Excel, CSV being the most common. So if I select CSV, it'll ask me, do I want to open or save the file? And there's the CSV file. Okay, so you can do what you want on here and cut the columns or whatever. Now it's external to Zoho CRM, it's simply a CSV file. So we'll go back, and that is how to export using the Zoho Sheet view. Now if you have more than, for example, the limit on this unpaid demo version is 50. I think the limit on the paid is 100 records per page. If you have more than that, then you would have to progress to the next page and follow the same process. So you'd go to page 2, view in Zoho Sheet, and export. So you may well end up with a couple of exports that you'd need to do. So this is best for very highly focused views, highly focused and small lists of 100 or less. So you can do this method. Second method is if you've got more than that, you would simply use the reports module of here. So you use the reports, and I would set up a report, which we've done already. Creating reports is another module, another video, but we can show you how to customize the reports. The criteria is what you are interested in. So basically here we've set the criteria to be the same as in the view, where the country is Australia. So we save, and there are our three leads, and we can export from here as well. So export to Excel, CSV. Now at the top of the screen you'll notice a maximum of 2 records can be listed on each page of the report. You can export the data one page at a time with a maximum of 2,000 records in a single exported file. So that means if you have, for example, 3,000 records after doing your criteria, after filtering your data, you would have to export this as page 1 using the function, And then when you've done that, you would need to use the navigation left and right arrows here on the bottom right and migrate to the next page, and then follow the export function again. So you'd end up with 2 exports, say of 3,000 records. Okay, and the export function on the report module can in fact be used on any one of the reports, standard ones and or the customized reports that you may have set up. And that's how to export data, filtered and segmented information from within Zoho CRM.